Welcome to Decision Loop, the podcast from Relic Solutions, where we speak with the experts driving transformation across retail, manufacturing, and consumer goods. From AI pilots at scale to data readiness, governance, and the human side of automation, this show is your signal through the noise. I'm thinking about if I was a leader and I wanted to digitally transform my business, would it be a mistake to start with technology without thinking about organizational readiness before then?
Well, the votes are all in. And the answer is, yeah, it's a huge mistake. One of the best practices out there that's evergreen is called business process management, right? And if you're not familiar with that, you should Google it and study up on it a little bit because it's evergreen, but it makes sense. It's around the three P's: it's people, it's process, and technology, and being very good at understanding those. But I'd like to make the point here: people, process, technology. Which one is last? It's technology, right? And we take a look at the data that's out there. You go out and Google just high failure rate for applying AI and digital transformation organization. You can Google that. And the studies suggest that 70 to 90% of initiatives, right, to adopt AI and other digital transformation efforts fail. And why is that, right? Poor change management, lack of leadership alignment, data silos, treating it as a tech upgrade rather than what it really is an evolution of the business, right? So it's a transition to operating differently, being more competitive in the future marketplace. So I got to tell you, I really cringe, Christine, when I hear this way too often. Is yeah, we deployed some training in how to use AI for all of our employees. And I sit there and I blink. You're taking peanut butter, you're smearing it all over the organization, saying, "Hey, here's this great thing. We're going to call it AI, and let's tell everybody about it and train them, and then sit back and hope something's going to be different or better." That approach, I believe, is doomed right out of the box.